This is a brand new 2014 BMW 3 Series. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, BMW apps, BMW Assist, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, a pass-through rear seat, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.